There is a street there for both the communities. Adilaleg, we have local Galo Bolu, Tapet, Adi Tapet. Then Batch, Galo Bolu, and symbolic memento to remember the occasion. And doing the honor is our President Adi Bankaba Tadum Lebang sir. Adi Lalit has been presented. Dudap and Tapet. Batch for the occasion, Galo Bolu, and a symbolic memento. Yang
joint declaration by Adi Bane Kebang, ABK, and Galo Welfare Society, GWS, Adi Galo Summit 20 Likabali 2025, first day of March 2025 at Likabali, Lower Siang District, Arunachal Pradesh. Joint declaration by Adi Bane Kebang and Galo Welfare Society, whereas both the Adis and Galos are descendants of great Abotani, who, in the course of history and migration, got separated and founded distinctive identities and cultures, yet remained united steadfast through close affinity in terms of settled and well-organized community life, fundamental philosophy towards life, dialect, social values, cultural norms and ethos, food habits, and a shared hunger for prosperity, progress, and peaceful coexistence with understanding. Whereas we, the Adi Bane Kebang, ABK, and the Galo Welfare Society, GWS, on behalf of the Adi tribe and the Galo tribe, respectively, are committed to upholding the long-standing practice of communal harmony and mutual coexistence. We hereby come together and bind the two communities with a spirit of mutual respect and commitment by subscribing our signatures on this historic joint declaration on March 1st, 2025 at Likabali, Lower Siang District. This historic joint declaration reaffirms and reiterates the long-held socio-cultural values inherent to both the communities to foster friendship, harmony, and bonhomie between the Adi and the Galo communities. Accordingly, this holistic joint declaration dated 1/3/2025 by the ABK and GWS witnesses the following terms, conditions, and goals, which shall be the guiding principles amongst the members of both the communities in their everyday socio-cultural interactions and while navigating the challenges of the modern times. Mutually agreed resolutions. Both the ABK and GWS hereby adopt the principles of conflict resolution mechanism by establishing an issue-specific joint mediation cum reconciliation committee to be moderated through the respective committee on communal harmony. The joint mediation cum reconciliation committee shall be constituted jointly by the president of the ABK and GWS on a case-to-case basis. The ideals of promoting friendship and harmony between the two communities shall be achieved through regular dialogue, evaluation, and progress, updating educational and cultural exchanges, and by understanding the community's perspective of the dispute in a transparent and responsive manner. Unga ABK GWS aralo duna, unga Adi Galo Nirok. Yo bumin Roman ko kayam sing case to case specific kala GWS first thing is bumin Roman problem yo ba kanto din yo ba resolution ko mo kanto din kanam laga ba case to case specific conflict resolution mechanism adopt oke Presiden Anya komiti ko Bonaila case rika takado ba rie rida go lo आया मसला वुमेन वुमेन का माब कैसे रिजल्ट करना है वही वो 10 सिस्टम पर है all this number 2 all disputes of civil or criminal nature shall be endeavored to be resolved in a customary way by mutual understanding under the aegis of local community leaders of the concerned area with the mutual consent of the parties to the dispute in accordance with the principles of Adi Kemang Ayon and Galo Bokum Boka, that is the Galo customary law. Ida kami nam gay ba ngun ka yo problem ko kaya sin local area local leader gada resolve over try try da go Adi Kemang Ayon oke bogum Galo Bogum Boka lo nunga Ayon monam nulu dikatakala rela the वही एक बेसिस होगा सिलो हो गांव बुरा कादे सिन कादू स्पेशली नॉन को लगा ओके लोकल ही ना वो लोकल लीडर्स नोनो किसी का भी लो कैसा कैसा होता है तका रेखा ला वो इसको करना है 3 नंबर under no circumstances the disputes between individuals group organization, particularly those related to motor accidents, theft, property and land dispute of individual, family, clan or village shall be given communal color. Such issues shall be treated as individual and person specific. Any such attempt on the part of any individual or group or organization shall be strongly condemned and dealt with firmly by the ABK and GWS. Si 3 nomor si maju important tu. Homendu your relation individual ba okay family ba group ba women roman ko kayam adi or kalau ka communal color jipal lagi ma एक्सीडेंट गो दोसो गो ओके कोदे डिस्प्यूट गो कायम सिन वो स्पेसिफिक नी स्पेसिफिक फैमिली स्पेसिफिक क्लान स्पेसिफिक वो ऐसे ही रहेगा सपोजिंग सेंगो टाइप दिया कोनी सेंगो टाइप दिया ला तोनी परते रोमन इथिका बा कोदे प्रॉब्लम को काका Saya enter kalau represent bang, enter adiam represent bang. Tony berdengar lang, saya ngotai po dia ke isu jaba ngultrit pelagi. Kalau adi usman ne aega, anda भी नहीं देगा. By chance, Tony lang sengo, adi lah kalau ke isu apa langayom, ABK lah GWS strict action line. Number 4, no persons shall use in any manner any derogatory language or actions against any members of the community to incite communal feeling by evoking outrage and shame at community level, which lowers the dignity and prestige of the community as a whole. If any person is found using derogatory words against either of the community, and if established beyond all reasonable doubt, the matter shall be strictly dealt with by the ABK and GWS. This may include taking any appropriate action or imposing fine as the case may be, in accordance with the accused customary law, to be handed over to the victim. However, if such derogatory language is used against the entire community, the fine shall be retained by either the ABK or GWS as the case maybe. Umendu उनका अधिक लो नहीं है अकेन हो ग्रुप हो जो भी हो ये सीन कम्युनिटी में नो गलो ऐसा ऐसा है नो आदि ऐसा ऐसा है हमला ग्रुप सिस्टम में गलो आदि का नाम में टारगेट ला अगोमियो में मैं अंजा जस्ट आदि को गलो को मैं समझा दे यो ये यो कमा लेकिन आदिया में बेइज्जती करने के लिए गालों में बेइज्जती करने के लिए अगर वो सिस्टम में बोलेगा वो उसको वो लोग फाइन लेगा ओके मेंदा लो सपोज इंडिविजुअल में करके इंटर कम्युनिटी को बदनाम होता है अब सिर्फ वो लोग फाइन ला रहे हैं फाइन होगा धर्म सिचुएशन का जिसको जो विक्टिम हुआ है उसको ही फाइन देगा जस्ट कॉमन कम्युनिटी बेसिस लोग मेन्यम वो फाइन को इधर GWS रखेगा या ABK रखेगा नंबर 5 to promote social and communal harmony both the Adi and Galo communities shall undertake confidence building measures including encouraging inter-tribe marriages and participating in social and cultural exchange programs. Community festivals of both the communities shall be mutually respected, encouraged, and celebrated in Adi and Galo inhabited areas. Munga dolu jiga 6. There shall not be any scope for revenge system under any manner of circumstances whatsoever. Both the communities shall strictly denounce and prohibit this practice in any form, even remotely whatsoever. Ngono by chance ako na remember rolo कुछ हो गया सब सपोजिंग निये ngeka निये ngela sin अमूल डायरेक्ट रिवेंज सिस्टम नहीं होगा इन एनी फॉर्म वो मन का बोगुम बोगा कादू कबा कादू लोकल कमिटी कादू कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रिजोल्यूशन मैकेनिज्म अमूल एडॉप्ट टू वो मैकेनिज्म में होना है रिवेंज सिस्टम इन एनी फॉर्म वो नहीं होगा 7 both the communities mutually agree to prohibit burial of deceased individuals at the scene of an incident or residence. Members of both the communities shall ensure that the deceased individual is are respectfully buried at an appropriate location. मोनो ABK ला GWS ये एग्री कर रहा है कि मोनो ये बाई चांस गलती लोग नहीं होंगे का और 2-3 ये हुआ उसको कम्युनल वे में रिएक्ट करके या उस लाइन में रिएक्ट करके इंडिविजुअल वो रिएक्ट करके मोनो इंसिडेंट का साइड में व एक्सीडेंट का साइड में या जिससे एक्सीडेंट हुआ बिग नाम ना सुनो मोनो बिक डेड बॉडी में गाड़ेगा अल्लाह मोनो रिमार मोनो अगर ऐसे हुआ तो मोनो इसको ये आदमी का पार्थिव शरीर को कैसा एक रेस्पेक्टफुली एक अच्छा चॉइस जगह में उसको करना है बाउंड्री डिस्प्यूट्स shall be resolved by the affected villagers without involving people from the other village of either community. In the event of failure to settle the dispute at village level, the matter may be referred to ABK or GWS to constitute a joint mediation cum reconciliation committee. Dolu लोग को दे प्रॉब्लम को कायम प्रॉब्लम वही दोनों लोग लोकल लीडर बुलो ही म्यूचुअली डिस्कस करेगा कब दोनों लोग लीडर का दम नी का दम लाकेन माए अगर बिल्कुल रिजॉल्व नहीं होता है रिजॉल्व माए हम दोनों ABK और GWS में approach laka. 9. The Joint Mediation and Reconciliation Committee shall operate in an atmosphere of mutual respect, friendship, and harmony. Under no circumstances shall the customary laws of one tribe be imposed on the other, or be given precedence over the other for any dispute resolutions, except on such mutually agreed terms and conditions. See Joint Mediation cum Reconciliation Committee see mutual respect okay friendship अजन आवाम इनाम वो कैसे सोसाइटी अन्य में कैसे एक साथ में ला सकता है वही एक प्रिंसिपल से काम करेगा. नंबर 10 inter-tribal matrimonial disputes and marital discords shall be resolved by taking into account the prevalent customary laws of the husband and wife respectively. Munka adiga lo ida ila umumnya में इला उस बीच में बुंजी का प्रॉब्लम को कायम वो अधिगला गालोगे अगर निजी रे गालो यहाँ पे अधि एवं दोनों का कैसा सिस्टम है काका करेला तो बुन का डिस्प्यूट को रिजॉल्व करने का कोशिश करेगा. Number 11. The ABK and GWS shall collaborate and coordinate closely to ensure the effective implementation of this historic declaration in its letter and spirit. They shall constitute the respective committee on communal harmony, which shall convene joint meetings as may be required from time to time. The member secretary of the respective community apex body shall act as the ex officio joint convener responsible for calling joint meetings, which shall be chaired alternatively by the president of ABK and GWS. इसको एक्सप्लेन नहीं करने से भी होगा. Number 12. The violators of the joint declaration of the Adigalo Summit 2025 shall be dealt by ABK and GWS on a case-to-case basis, considering ground realities. If a party from either community violates this declaration, the respective apex body shall initiate to deal with the situation. Official records of the process and outcomes of such initiation shall be complied and shared between the apex bodies of both the communities. 13. The resolution drawn herein with respect to inter-tribe dispute shall apply prospectively to the members of both the communities from the date of its attestations. Retrospective application of this joint declaration shall be optional with mutual consent from both the parties to the dispute. इस जगह को पॉइंट हन्ना करता है जो भी प्रॉब्लम है यालू यासू को कायम सिन बुमन रोमन को कायम सिन वो सेटलमेंट को एन्ना गाइब ही आज से लागू होगा करा लो जो भी है वो इससे नहीं होगा. लेकिन एक सिन पॉइंट को कहा दूं प्रॉब्लम है कहा दूं पेंडिंग ला दो दूं solve ma anyom party anye ma ale ABK lang GWS jirid laju bunung ka kamu laju ka anyom president anyem approach la bunu conflict resolution committee को constitute जिला का request बोलो वो पुराना पेंडिंग के सब सिन काला रहे ही pronouncement declaration है President Anyi Lokka. Unga naruga bihar lok. We, the undersigned, jointly put our hands and seals on this day, the first day of March 2025 at Likabali, on behalf of Adi community represented by the Adi Kabang ABK, and the Galo community, represented by Galo Welfare Society GWS, in the presence of members under their respective umbrella in this historic social conglomeration of the Adis and Galos. May the signing of this joint declaration pave the way for better coordination between the Adi and Galo communities, fostering mutual understanding, bonhomie, and fraternity for the progress and prosperity of both the communities. Signed, 1. Marnya Ete, President, Galo Welfare Society GWS, Camp Likabali, Lower Siang. First, Tadung Limam, President Adi Bane Kabang, Camp Likabali, Lower Siang. Unu hime ida sign re, okay, already जो sign ला उनको same specific signature का जो किया है, इसको formally president lang, both the president ने formally exchange okay लो, ये
Doing it. Abo kuli to ke sign naam kuli bolo. Naru, I'm going to request Andy to stand up, Jibol Aldo, in honor of the declaration. And I would shout, long live, you will say Adi Galo. When I will say Adi Galo, you will say long. Long live! Adi Galo! Long live! Adi Galo! Long live! Adi Galo! Adi Galo! Long live! Adi Galo! Long live! Adi Galo! Long live! Thank you. Okay, Naru.